Hi guys, it's Nunu and I am here in discussion 6. What qualities does a great literary work possess in your opinion? You're going to post by Wednesday and respond to 2 pairs by Friday. Now the purpose of discussion 6 is to prepare you for our term paper. We're going to start thinking about what we think about this question. What qualities does a great literary work possess? A lot of times hearing the opinions of other people, you can bounce ideas off of them. It helps you to clarify your own thoughts, okay? And always, for me, the most difficult part of the essay writing process is simply to know what I think about a topic. So we're going to think in this discussion. Okay, I'm scrolling down the screen. Standard elements I have in every discussion, pages. You can read here to find out where all of our literary works are, and of course they're in pages in the left menu, right up here below syllabus. If you need to review any of our literary works, and these directions I just gave you are here. Teacher's comments. I may comment in your thread in this discussion. If I do, respond to me, please, okay? So look in on the discussion. Don't just post and then you're done. You need to find out if I'm talking to you too, because this is a discussion, okay? Our timeline, I went over it with you. Post by Wednesday, respond to 2 peers by Friday. I'm scrolling down a little bit so we can see. Our question, of course, what do you think makes a work of fiction a great work of art? Our requirements, your answer to the question above should be a minimum of 750 words, 3 pages, and include concrete examples of what makes a work of fiction great, quotations and discussion of elements of story, such as theme, plot, character, development, and style, and of course, respond to 2 of your peers' postings, agreeing or disagreeing with what they write in detail. Each response should number 125 words, half a page. Of course, don't just write great or I agree with you or fantastic posting. Tell us why the posting is fantastic, how somebody expressed his or her opinion about what makes a work of fiction a great work of art. Okay, I hope these directions have been helpful. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox, and you can also reach me during my posted office hours. Have a good week.